In the quiet woodlands of North Zealand, November feels like a pause between seasons. The last yellow birch leaves drift down through the mist, and the forest floor is carpeted with silence. The days are short, the light pale and low, and the air carries the scent of damp moss and decay. Yet, even now, when most of the forest life lies hidden, one creature is still at work: the black woodpecker. This striking bird, jet black with a vivid red crown, is the largest woodpecker in northern Europe. When it flies through the birch trees, its wings move with slow, deliberate beats, each glide perfectly balanced. You often hear it before you see it, a far-carrying, ringing call that echoes through the forest. Kee, 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 kee. It sounds both haunting and powerful, as if the forest itself was speaking. The black woodpecker spends its days patrolling tree trunks, listening for the faint crackle of movement beneath the bark. Inside, carpenter ants and beetle larvae tunnel through the decaying wood, creating a secret world of winter life. With a few precise blows of its strong bill, the woodpecker opens the tree and reaches deep inside with its extraordinary tongue, long, barbed and sticky, able to pull out prey hidden far from sight. The black woodpecker in November. In these weeks, when food is scarce, every sound matters. The rhythmic tapping of the black woodpecker is more than a call. It is a signal of survival. Its drumming helps define territory, attract a mate, and mark its place in the forest. For those who walk these woods in Gribskopf, Tisvilde Heng, or Esrumso's birch groves, a glimpse of this bird feels like meeting a ghost from the ancient northern forests. Silent most of the time, yet vital, persistent, and entirely wild. Even as winter approaches, the forest still breathes through the echo of the black woodpecker's hammer on birch